Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great remedy that would help you to get rid of your flappy hands. You know, those hands that hang around here, and it's just, you know, sometimes it can be very, very annoying, especially when you want to, you know, rock yourself out. Yeah, okay, so if you're new here, do not forget to thumbs up the video. And how are you doing, and how is your day? Okay, let me take you right into this video so you can see all of the ingredients, and they are very, very you're gonna see them. Yeah, do not forget to thumbs up also. Let's go. Okay guys, so are you having a sagginess of hands, flappy hands, and you're not comfortable, you're not happy with the way your hands are so fat? Well, yes, me too, and that's why we're actually doing this together. Okay, so you're gonna be getting sweet melon. I'm sure this is actually the season for this sweet melon. Yeah, so that's why we'll be needing this sweet melon. Okay, so since I have a half cut of it, we're actually gonna be using the half cut. So I'm gonna be cutting just a little, yeah, and we actually do not need too much of it. So you're gonna be cutting it plus the seed. Cubes. And then we're going to be putting it into a blender. So now we would have to blend. So after blending, then we would have to sieve it out. So after sieving it out, this is the sweet melon juice. It is actually really, really sweet, just like the name says. Okay, so then we're gonna be putting just a pinch of turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder spice helps so much to build the body metabolics, helping you, you know, lose weight. And it also helps to, you know, flush out the toxins in your body. And you're going to be needing just a pinch of it. You do not need too much of it. Just a little of this turmeric. Although when using turmeric, you should know that it is actually very, very sour. It has a slappy kind of taste. Yeah. And this is it. Okay, so let me show you the next ingredient. You're gonna be needing some orange. Okay, so using orange so much to maintain your body weight, reducing your flappy hands, and making you glow. yeah, from the inside out. Okay, so I have a half cut of orange already, so I'm gonna be squeezing that. It's actually difficult to squeeze because it's too big, so I'm still gonna be cutting it and then squeezing it in. Getting there. We're equally going to be needing some cucumber. Now cucumber is a great remedy. Now because of the so many juice it contains, it helps so much for the skin. It also helps for the body. It helps you glow. It reduces the excessive fat on in your body, and it gives you that hourglass figure. Yeah, so it's going to help to remove all of your thigh fats. Since I have half cut of this cucumber at home, I'm just going to be taking half of it, okay, and then we're gonna be dicing it so that we could enable our blender blend it really good. We're going to be blending it. Now, after blending this, I would love to sieve out the juice. It's actually going to be easy to sieve it out. Okay guys, so we're gonna be getting this and turning. Okay, now I'm gonna be transferring the cucumber juice into this, and this is amazing. Okay guys, so the last ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Now this is actually a great slimming remedy. Okay, now for this quantity of juice, we're gonna be needing 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. So now we're gonna stir it. And this is it. Okay guys, so drink this morning and evening. You can actually make a whole lot, put it in your jar, and then put it inside the refrigerator, refrigerate it, and then drink it in the morning and in the afternoon. So in the morning and in the evening, or in the morning and in the afternoon, whenever you want to take it. Yeah, you take this, and this is actually going to really help you to reduce that awful ham fat and those flappy and saggy hands. Okay, and it's equally going to work for your belly fat and your general body fat too. So when you continually take this, you're going to slim down a little, but it's going to concentrate on those parts where there are too much of fat. It's going to help to reduce it. So that's it. this drink tastes super duper great, and it looks good, just like you can see, and it is actually very effective. And it's not only for your hands, okay, it's equally for your whole body. It's gonna help to reduce your fat cells, and you're gonna be loving it. Yeah, okay, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye.